Hello everyone, thanks for being here. This is a blade coffee grinder. We may call it a spice grinder too. It has many functions like grind the coffee beans and grind some spice like the pepper, the chili, the star anise, the dried cinnamon. You can use this appliance to grind many food, but first ensure the food is dried because this appliance normally is not waterproof. And today I will show you how to clean this blade coffee grinder. You can check this blade coffee grinder. I normally use it to grind the coffee beans and sometimes some spice like the peppercorn and star anise to make some delicious sauce for my food. And every week I will clean it because I use it very frequently. So what we need to prepare is tissue or wipes, and this time I will use tissue. Tissues and the wipes have the same function in the cleaning, so don't worry if you have only the tissue or only the wipes, they are all the same. And here I will pour the coffee powder first, and then I will show you clean it. So if your coffee grinder you use it very frequently and it's not very dirty, you can use only the tissue to wipe this. I will show you. You can check the coffee powders all around, and just use the tissue to clean it. And I will use another tissue to clean the rest powder. Be careful, the blade is very sharp and don't hurt yourself. And there is still some small powders inside the container, but don't worry, I will use another tissue to clean it. And check this, it's almost clean. I think this is okay. And sometimes some coffee beans has much oil inside and it will stick to the walls around this. And some spice like the pepper, the chili, they all contain oil, and if you use it very frequently and you didn't clean it in time, they will stick to the wall. And then I will show you another way to clean it. It's the upgrade for method 1, so let's check it out. So in this cleaning method, what we need is the rice. For me, I clean the grinder very frequently, so I didn't encounter that condition. It's hard to clean the grinder. It's always very easy for me to clean because I clean it very frequently. So first, add the rice into the grinder. Okay. Just start the grinder like you are grinding the coffee beans or something else. Okay, so you can see that the white powders are around the inside, and this is very good. So unplug it, and let's check the inside. Okay, pour it away. Okay, you can see the inside. There's no coffee powders because the rice powder has no oil inside, and the coffee powders has oil inside. Then the coffee powders will absorb the rice powder around it, and then the coffee powder is not very sticky, so it will be easily poured away. And next step, you need to clean it with tissue or wipes like this. Just clean it, and then it will be very clean like new. Okay, you can see it's very clean, and there is a very rare condition that the particles inside are very sticky and there's a lot of oil stick to the wall. It's very hard to clean, and you can't use the rice cleaning method to clean it. At this condition, I suggest you to take this off. yes, just open this appliance and take this container off and throw it into the water and add some cleaning fluid. So anything you clean your bones and the dishes is all okay for it. Just clean it like your bones and use your brushes and anything. So you can see here, you can just open it very easily and you can just take it off and clean it. This condition only happens the material you normally process is very sticky. It contains much oil or something else that is very sticky and stick to the wall, hard to clean. You have to, if you can't clean it with the right cleaning method, you have to take it off. And so I have introduced my 3 methods of cleaning. I think this 3 method can help you in most conditions. If you have any other problem about the cleaning, you can leave me a comment. If you have some conditions that I didn't mention, you can leave me a comment and I will try to solve it for you. So this is today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.